Most people today are available all the time, always reachable, always responsible, and always online, and somehow always tired. And if you are someone who is available for everyone around you, then it is a matter of concern for you, because people will always respect the person who is hard to get, who is hard to talk, and they will not respect the person as much they are respecting the person who is hard to get. Suppose there are two men, and man one is very easily available and always online, and whenever someone calls him, he used to take the calls and he used to answer the calls no matter who is calling him. And here is person two who is not that much easily available and who has a routine, who do not engage with people so often. Then what do you think that people will give respect to whom? Man 1 or man 2? 99% people will give respect to man 2, because this is how our human mind and our subconscious mind designed like that. I mean, we will feel curious to see that person who is less available instead of a person who is available all the time, and this is how our mind works. And if you want that people will respect you, then you will have to make yourself a little bit not available. Today we are not gonna shoot a long video, but it will be an informative video, because if you really wanted to upscale in your life, and if you really wanted to become an alpha in your life, then you will have to make distance from other people. I mean, you will have to make yourself private. I mean, you will have to ignore parties, you will have to ignore the trips, because whenever someone calls you, then hey bro, are you coming with us in a party, and you say yes, I'm coming, I'm on my way, then people will start treating you like that he is always available, and everyone will treat you like a jobless person, everyone will treat you like an ambitious person. Because if you are a man, you cannot be always free, you cannot be always available, because a man works hard for his family, a man works hard for his dreams. He cannot be available all the time, because if you really have time, if you really have free time, then spend that time building yourself. Why you are just replying to your friends every time? If someone texted you, then you suddenly give reply. I mean, that shows the importance of you in someone else's life. I mean, someone else from the different side is giving you replies after 5 to 10 minutes, and you are giving replies instantly. I mean, this is gonna ruin your personality. And I can understand your things, I can understand your feelings. When I was at my growing stage on 18 to 22, then I was also a highly available man. I used to talk to 5 to 6 persons at a time on my WhatsApp. I mean, think about it, 5 to 6 persons at a time. Right now I cannot even talk to a single person. If I really wanted to talk to someone, then I will not use text messages, I will often call him, because now I know that if I will start doing texting, then it will consume a lot of time of myself. So if it is important, then I will definitely make a call to him. When I was at my 18, then I have only one thought, that I will make a lot of friends and I will make a lot of memories with them. But now I am a stable person, I do not have a lot of friends, but I have some friends, and they are quality friends. And now they know the limits, the boundaries that I have set it, that I cannot come randomly in a party, I cannot come randomly in a trip. I am a busy person, I have my family, I have my job, I have my learning skills that I am doing right now. I'm learning English. If I will be a free person, then I will definitely consume that time on building myself. And if someone is not asking to you that bro, are you free today, then I think that you are lost. And if they are asking this, that bro, are you free for today, are you free to come on the party, then you are a responsible person and everyone respects you. I'm not saying that you should cut your friendships, you should lose your friendships, but I'm just saying that you should build some self-respect, because self-respect is the primary thing, and after that you have friendships and other things. And after this video, don't fake things like you are saying to your relatives, to your friends, that bro, I'm busy right now, don't call me. And what I'm saying, that if you have time, then consume that time on building yourself, not wasting in parties and trips and other things. And just because of that, I just wanted to tell you about one of my friend, and he is not an easy approachable man. I mean, when we say to him that bro, are you coming to the party today, then what his reply is, he says, okay, I will tell you, let me think about it. And this thing shows that he has other things also, even though I don't know that he was busy that time or not, but that shows to us that he is not a free person, he has other things also to do. Maybe he has his schedule and he has his meeting, he has his own work, but that shows us that he is a busy person. We do not hate him. If you are thinking that people will hate you, that you are a busy person and are not easily available now, then the people who are easy available will gonna really hate you. But the people who understand that what a man is, they will not gonna hate you. Because we also understand our friend when he says that okay, let me check my schedule, then I will tell you. Then we also appreciate his efforts, that he's doing good in his life and it is good for him. And if you really wanted to build a personality, then you really wanted to build this thing. If you will not build this thing, then you will gonna fail in everything in your life. It will be easily available. And day before yesterday, I created a video on this topic, that when you say yes to everyone, I mean this thing is also related to that, but in this video the context is different. At last, I just wanted to add one thing, that if you are a person who chats to the people on Instagram and WhatsApp, and if you are replying so fast to them and their replies are coming in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then you will have to hold back yourself. Treat the person as they are treating you. If they are giving you importance, if they are giving you replies on time, then give reply on time. If they are not giving you replies on time, that why you are giving replies them on as early as possible. This is the murder of self-respect. I mean, you are killing your self-respect in front of that person. And if you are thinking that she will like that I am so much easily available, my first priority is her, then you are really wrong. And if they are not giving you replies on time, then why you are giving replies to them on time? I mean, think about it. You are just killing your self-respect. But we will not talk about this in this video, because it is a topic of different video and I don't want it to ruin that for you guys, and I also don't want to ruin my another topic. So the solution is very easy and simple, and the solution is give time to yourself, give time to your self-respect, and give time to build yourself, not others plan. So hey guys, this is day 28 of us speaking English, and today we learned a new word, and the word is accommodation. Is a place where we live temporarily. And I have decided that I will share my vocabulary list with you guys. Whatever I'm learning from the internet and from the book, I will share with you guys. And today I learned the new word accommodation, and we will use that word in our upcoming videos. So yes, see you tomorrow.